Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today I gotta say, what a day, huh? BTC actually broke some of the previous tops from 2017 on some of the exchanges. I believe it was on Bitstamp and on Kraken, and it was absolutely insane. Obviously, that meaning that our short got absolutely nuked from the last night videos, right, that I made. Our head short got absolutely nuked. But it's worth to mention that Ethereum on the same pace actually gained already for like more than $30. So like I said like I said yesterday, it's better for the short to get nuked because we're gonna make more money on longs, and alts are booming. Ethereum is booming, and this is exactly what we want. So yes, guys, I want to mention this again. I'm not too bullish. I'm not too bullish for everyone in the chat and comments. I am just simply following the trend, and I will stop following the trends once it proves me wrong. And right now that all this thing that BTC created, it's actually pretty easy to identify where the trend has ended. But you know, where the trend will flip over. But I will talk more about this in the live stream, so you're most welcome to join that one as well, which is going to be at the same day as this video is getting released, right? So it's basically the same schedule. Also, show us some love, guys. I mean, like the video, you know, subscribe to our channels. We do these videos every day except on Sunday, and sometimes even on Sundays lately because yeah, nah, stuff is moving and you have to do it when it's moving, or else you're too late. So now, I mean, when you look at the Cardano, it had quite a bit of a pullback, you know. Previously days when Bitcoin fell down, Cardano went all the way down to 11 cents. And if you look at it, this was actually a quite a nice opportunity to long that we actually missed because we were not watching this chart. So now you might ask yourself, what the hell is there even left to do in here, right? And there are a couple of things, and you have to zoom it out a little bit on a higher time frame. So in this case, we are located on daily, and I will take my trusty triangle, right? And we have a pretty good identified area right here, as you can see. Now if you scroll back in, you see that pretty much when you pumped above this area, you slightly retested it on daily, and it's probably better seen on 4 hourly or 1 hourly. So I'll just gonna scoot in so we can see. You see, as you retested this area perfectly and you held it, and now you're most likely going to continue higher. Now there are two possible chances here, right? First, if you start breaking down from this point and you can't break it right now, and you start breaking and going on down below this, then most likely there's a high chance that ADA, or should I say Cardano, is gonna go retest all the way down to the bottom. High chance. So in this case, you would be actually getting about 20% possible run. And this is usually pretty much thing when the coins struggle too much to break the top and they actually fail it too many times and then start closing underneath the previous support. Then it's a pretty good sense that this is gonna turn bearish and you're gonna go test it all the way to the bottom. Now that most likely won't happen if the BTC keeps soaring, and I know when BTC keeps soaring, alts usually go down, but in USDT contract it's a little bit different, right? So what most likely is going to happen, you're gonna start breaking the top. So now you gotta have to go back to a daily time frame, right? And go to the left side to actually see what's left. And as you can see, what's left is the point where we most likely are, you know, where we had the most troubles at. And you can see this point is right located right here. And this is a really good explanation to why you had the most trouble, because as you were going down, right, as you were destructing, slowly dropping every level and just losing levels on Cardano back in 2018, right? And this chart on Binance is a little bit limited. There are charts that go way back, right? You actually see that this was the first try. This was the first try of reversal, and when reversal came in, it rejected the most bearish level, right? And then it started crushing down. So I have I'm actually not surprised that this is now such a huge issue for us to break, because it is one of the most important areas on the Binance chart at the moment, right? And if you start breaking this could be really bullish for Cardano. And in this case, if you break this, you could be targeting anyways between 23 cents or all the way actually to about 30 cents, and that would make you quite a bit of money, as you can see. So in that case, if we start breaking the area, there's gonna be a same sense to it, right? So this is one of our first opportunities. The second opportunity then follows is you start breaking the area, right? And it's really important for you that you don't long this area too fast. So if you're gonna see start going sideways in here, it's not actually a long opportunity just yet, unless you're taking it all the way down here, right? You're actually gambling it and you're taking it all the way down here with the stop loss under here. So that would look like this. That will look like this with the stop loss under here, and you can even see 7% stop loss, so it's pretty good. That would be one of these opportunities. You would absolutely have to TP this box, and that will bring you at 1.6R or 11%. But you can see that then 23 to 44 cents are gonna bring you all the way up to 40% of 5.5R. So then it becomes really healthy, right? But what you essentially want to see a nice, after a long consolidation like this, retesting this area multiple times, right? Now you want to see a fast break. If a fast break happens, then you're going to have a much better time, should I say, right? Because then you're going to be able to place a trade like this. You're going to be able to scroll on the high time frames, go a little bit back to find your stop loss. And in this case, it's going to be around here, and it's going to be 8%. Then you go back to lower time frames, right, and you see it like this. And then of course the first profit target is located at the same location as we already said, from that area, which is about 23 to 24 cents, and it's then 26% or 3R on the first profit take, and 3R or should I say 26% on the first profit take is a lot better than the one we had here with like 11 to 12%. So essentially speaking, you will make a lot more money, right? And if you stretch it all the way up to 30 cents, then you're going to be hitting 58%. So you can see this could, even though it looks quite stretched, if you zoom in, a lot of people might think that this is already missed. It's not. If it gains these areas, it's still very much possible play, and you can make a lot of money with it, right? And I'm saying like this: if Bitcoin continues to soar over 20k, maybe, I don't know, in the future it hits 24k, we will have a lot more of these opportunities, but people will be too afraid to enter them because they would think, okay, the charts are too far up, surely they will break down, right? But when you're off in the trend, just follow the trend, and when it flips over, yes, you will get wrecked on some trades, but then it flips over and then you will make money because you will switch your trades as well, right? And this is what I've been following this model for a long while, and it's quite a successful one. There is a saying in trading world, just follow the trend, right? Just trend is your friend, right? So yeah, it's there for a reason. So yes, guys, I mean, do show us some love, subscribe to our channels, join us at Free 4C community channel, right, where we discuss stop losses, trades like this, Bitcoin analysis, daily Bitcoin analysis, or Ethereum analysis, everything, right? And of course, join us at stream that we are doing it today at 3 p.m. UTC time, right? So every week it's the same time. So yes, join us there as well. And thank you for watching, guys, and we will be seeing each other in the next one.